What research has found is that people who are the most sensitive, the most empathetic, people who can feel in other people, they make the best team members. And who makes the worst team member? Arrogant people, people who want to control. I think it's kind of obvious. But there's another thing to look at. Mother Teresa was asked, what's the problem with the world? And she said, the problem is that I'm a sinner. So in the workshops we do on cooperation, I ask people, well, what's the biggest problem in your company? What's the biggest problem in your group? And so everybody looks at the different problems. And then I say, actually, the biggest problem is you. That's how you have to see it. And then we do a little exercise, and you can think about this yourself. We ask the participants to imagine that everyone in their company was just like them, and they were in charge of the company. So they had to work with a whole company of people exactly like them. And so the question is, well, what wouldn't you like about working with people who are exactly like you? And so then you kind of put yourself in the receiver's end to realize what it's like to work with a person like you. And it gives you some insight in how you can be better and how you have a lot to do with the team synergy and how the team works together. So meditate on that as a foundational principle for cooperation, not worrying about how other people are or will be or what they need to do and how they need to change and how you need to fix them, but meditate on how to become better yourself.